Who wants thicker and richer and natural eyebrows? I think all of us, because with age and time comes less brow, and brow thickening is serum is something so easy to make that it's like a must do, and you can just do it at home and use it, because believe it or not, there are a couple of natural ingredients that actually encourage brow growth, and making this do-it-yourself eyebrow serum that I'm going to teach you is super easy. For those of you out there with thinning brows due to low thyroid, age, or just too much waxing or too much plucking, there's hope. I finally figured out a healthy and totally natural and super simple serum that will actually help you, and is gentle and effective. We use 2 ingredients only. One of them is rosemary essential oil, and it has been known for stimulating hair growth, and also for other hair treatment like anti-dandruff. I use it in the anti-dandruff shampoo as well. It works really well. Also in hair masks. It helps increase circulation and helps stimulate the hair growth. And the second ingredient is castor oil. And castor oil has been used for ages to grow hair. Like ancient Egypt used castor oil for everything. It's full of omega-6 fatty acids, vitamin E, and protein, and it's easily absorbed into the hair and just nourish it and makes it grow. So we only mix these 2 oils together and we have a serum. It's very, very easy. So you can take an old mascara bottle, or you can buy these mascara bottles if you want, and you fill it up with the castor oil first. This is our base oil. So, and then I add 6 drops of rosemary oil into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Close the bottle, shake it up very gently, and apply it at least once a day on your eyebrows. Let it dry or absorb. So maybe I don't know, half an hour before you go to bed, or if you have time during the day. And good luck.